Good evening, my dear student. Yesterday we have learned about what is light and the nature of image formed by plane mirror, how it will be good. Today we will study about the spherical mirrors and the types of spherical mirrors and the difference between two types of spherical mirror, that is concave mirror and convex mirror. So now I am going to teach you about the spherical mirrors. Let us come to the definitions of spherical mirrors. So spherical mirrors are mirrors. There are also be mirrors. So whose reflecting surface is curved inwards or curved outwards. So spherical mirrors are mirrors whose curved surface or reflecting surface is curved inwards or curved outwards. There are two types of mirrors are there. That is concave mirror and convex mirrors. So whose reflecting surface is curved inwards is called concave mirror, and convex mirror means the reflecting surface is curved outwards like that. So here it is reflecting surface, it is non-reflecting surface. Let us come to understand the difference of concave mirror and convex mirror by definitions. If this is the reflecting surface of a concave mirror, if this surface curved inwards, that is, if reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is curved inwards, this curved inwards are facing toward the center of that spherical mirror. So such a mirror is called concave mirror. Opposite to this, if reflecting surface, this is the reflecting surface, if reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is curved outwards like this, bulged outwards, then such a mirror is called concave mirror. So I think you understood the types of mirrors and what is spherical mirror. Welcome back, my dear student. Now we will study about the difference between concave mirror and convex mirror. Let us come, my dear student, the first difference between concave mirror and convex mirror. So here, this is the reflecting surface. Reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is curved inwards or faced toward the center of the mirror. Then such a mirror is what we call concave mirror. If reflecting surface, this is reflecting surface of a mirror is curved outwards, bulged outwards, then it is convex mirror. So dear student, here second difference is says that principal focus. Focus is a point where we can get the image. That is what we call focus. Here, principal focus usually not almost in all cases, it will be in front of the reflecting surface. Principal focus is in front of the reflecting surface. So here, focal length means the distance between the center of the mirror and the principal focus. That is what we call principal. That is focal length. So has focus is in front of the reflecting surface. Focal length will be positive. So here that principal focus is behind the mirror or behind the reflecting surface. So focal length will get a negative. So go. Dear student, here in the third difference is images formed are real and inverted. Usually images formed in concave mirror always be it is real and inverted. Real means we can get the image on the screen and it will be inverted. If it is there like this, we can get the image like this, inverted. Except if the image formed between P and F, it is P pole of the mirror and it is focus. If the image formed between P and F, there we can get the image. It is erect and virtual and erect. Here in case of convex mirror, images formed are always be virtual and erect. So these images always be virtual, we can't get on the screen, and it will be erect. Erect means how images is there, like that only is there. Object how will be, images also be like this only. If the object will be like this, images are also be like this only. But in this case it is inverted like this. These mirrors are converging mirrors. Has when the light ray will fall on the surface of the reflecting surface, they will reflect. All the reflected ray will converges or join together to one point. So that's why these mirrors are converging mirrors. So as in this case, when the light ray will fall on this, it will diverges. Light ray will diverges, it will not go here. So that's why these mirrors are diverging mirrors. In this case, all the reflected rays, they never meet each other, so we can't get that real image in this case. So that's why these mirrors are what we call, it is diverging mirrors. Try to understand, dear student, these difference. It is reflecting surface is curved inwards, reflecting surface is curved outwards. So here focus is focal length is positive, has a focus lies in front of the reflecting surface. Here focal length is negative, has a focus is behind the mirror. So here images usually are real and inverted, except this case P and F. Then only images are virtual and direct and diminished. So here, so virtual and direct diminished always. So converging mirrors, they are diverging mirrors. I hope you understood, dear student.